If your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, welcome to another mail call. I'm Larry from Larry's Fountain Pen Review, and came in the mail this here envelope. So let's open it up and we can all take a look at it together. Toot, toot! Yeah. Yeah. All right, here it is. Let's get this little jewel out. Nothing else in here. Now, here is a pen that I found on eBay. I was looking for an affordable fountain pen to purchase, and I came across this pen that, first of all, I really like the color, and I do like the brand. And Mr. Announcer, the name of the brand is?
Yeren.
Yes. And I will do a review on this pen and show you the previous models of the pens that I have as well. And I picked this up from, where did I buy this little jewel at? Pen Savings is where I got it. Now, I'm starting to see more Chinese fountain pens being sold here from dealers in the U.S. But still, it was affordable and I think a decent price, so we'll get to that review soon. Hey, thank you for checking out this beautiful fountain pen on Pen Mail. I will be checking you guys later. A peace and a lot of love and a lot of coming to you. Hey, folks, wash hands and don't text and drive. Bye.